Did you know that one mechanic's refusal to steal $2 million led to the best job of his life? Marcus had worked at the family repair shop for years. He loved fixing cars and helping customers. But when a new manager arrived, everything changed. Marcus watched in horror as his boss cut perfectly good brake lines with wire cutters. He saw him dent clean bumpers with hammers. Then the manager would tell customers their cars had mysterious accident damage and file huge insurance claims. When Marcus asked questions, the manager offered him a 50% raise and part ownership to stay quiet. Marcus said no. Then came the threats. Get fired and never work in town again. But Marcus knew right from wrong. He secretly recorded the damage being done. He copied the fake insurance papers. He discovered they had stolen over $2 million. Marcus took his evidence to federal agents. His boss got arrested. The shop got shut down. And Marcus, he received a massive whistleblower reward and became head mechanic for the state's fraud investigation team. Sometimes doing right pays better than doing wrong.